And I will say one thing, and I may come as a shock to people. This pandemic has been very severe. It's spread around the world extremely quickly. It has affected every corner of this planet. But this is not necessarily the big one. This virus is very transmissible, and it kills people, and it has deprived so many people of loved ones. But its current case fatality is reasonably low in comparison to other emerging diseases. This is a wake-up call. We are learning now how to do things better, how to do science better, how to do logistics better, how to do training better, how to do governance better, how to communicate better. We've developed a whole new science of infodemiology and advanced behavioral science in this way. So I think from our perspective, the planet is fragile. We live in an increasingly complex global society. These threats will continue. If there's one thing we need to take from this pandemic, with all of the tragedy and loss, is that we need to get our act together. We need to get ready for something that may even be more severe in future. In this, we must honor those we've lost by getting better at what we do every day.
The world has hoped for herd immunity, that somehow transmission would be decreased if enough persons were immune. This concept has been widely misunderstood and still cannot be predicted because of our lack of understanding of immunity and its duration. It appears at present that the destiny of SARS coronavirus 2 is to become endemic, as have 4 other human coronaviruses, and that it will continue to mutate as it reproduces in human cells, especially in areas of more intense transmission. But its final destiny is not yet known. Fortunately, we have tools to save lives, and these, in combination with good public health, as outlined before, will permit us to learn to live with COVID-19.
This is a moment for all of us to reflect on the toll the pandemic has taken, the progress we have made, the lessons we have learned, and what we need to be in the year ahead, what we need to do in the year ahead to end this pandemic. New ground has been broken, not least with the extraordinary cooperation between the private and public sector in this pandemic, and in recent weeks, safe and effective vaccine rollout has started in a number of countries, which is an incredible scientific achievement. This is fantastic, but WHO will not rest until those in need everywhere in all countries have access to the new vaccines and are protected.